And hello guys, welcome back to another exciting day of the channel. Today guys, I am playing Ultra Rumble. Today, I decided to say we're going to be starting a new video series. Today, we're going to be playing Ultra Rumble, but now I'm going to be showing you guys what I prefer for my tuning of characters. And we're going to be showcasing as what characters can do which, because if you guys didn't know, a few days of the channel, I did a showcasing for All for One as my very first video, and the default Shoto. Then I also did Shinzo, Sheer Counter Mirio, and I think others. I don't know. I have to go back. Anyways. Oh, and Armored All Might. Technically, I did that, but anyways. Today, guys, I will be showing you guys. Today, we're gonna be doing an overhaul preview of Blighted Pesserpice. I think I said that name correctly. I don't know. And then I want you guys to comment down below which characters should I do next. Anyways, so for overhaul, here's the tuning, so you guys can get a good look. This is what I use. And now we're gonna go into game and see how this does. Also, guys, can't believe in literally 2 days, in 2 days, 15 hours, we're gonna be doing My Hero Ultra Rumble Season 15. No, 16. Sorry, I am dumb. Okay, so yeah, so I'm basically guaranteed to get this costume and tickets. Wow. Okay. But yeah, guys, like my thoughts is that we're gonna get Stars and Stripes. She's gonna be taking one of these, right? Bakugo's getting a new quirk skill set, probably at the end of the season, and I still think it's gonna be him, because come on, guys, it's been like since season 4, since All for One came out. Like, he's with Shigaraki and Bakugo. Imagine if it's another Shigaraki quick skill set. But yeah, I think it's gonna be Striker Shigaraki, because I think he's gonna be like how All Might's mimicking like how Deku and Bakugo are mimicking. Like, there's like Striker Midoriya, Rapid, right? So I think this Bakugo is gonna be Assault. Oh no. Okay, good. Good. He understands. Oh, this guy has Gatlin All Might. Look, everybody, it's a quick skill we couldn't get. Sadly, I could do a Gatlin preview on my siblings' account or my. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, why are we playing ranked? I don't need to play ranked. I'm good. Yeah, but
just my pawns.
Kirishima? Wow, Deku. Well, Kirishima, didn't know you dyed your hair. Actually, what does that look like, Kirishima, now? With the hair.
Time to move.
But yeah, guys.
Weakling, keep it up. It ain't working.
Overhaul is a very dangerous man.
Not yet. That's all you got.
I wonder how this is gonna be for Stars and Stripes. She will definitely change the meta. we're getting butt lobbies. Okay, I can work with butts. Also, guys, Sky got some more characters. She finally got Kurogiri, All Might, Armored All Might, Final, Tamaki, Quickskill Nejire, which she likes, but sadly she has to work on tuning and stuff. But I can probably do it for her.
Weakling. Stay back. Struggling.
That is some serious travel.
Enough. That's all. How simple. Move it. Barely felt that.
But yeah, the reason, but people but the reason why I think is it's all for one because two things. One, how long does it take for this game to load? How much are we?
Everybody's ready.
It's been 7 minutes and people just didn't laugh. Oh my gosh.
Whoa! Looks like we've got some super. Okay, looks like you found a spot.
Here's a good spot. This is the spot.
Anyways, like I was saying, everybody. So like, the reason why I think it's all for one getting the quick skill set is because why just now giving him a new costume?
Preparations complete.
Also, I think Gatlin is going to be in a recurrence to the what's it called? Is going to be returning.
Don't touch me.
But that means, guys, we have another shot at getting Gatlin. Yay! Let's hope I don't. Let's hope I don't get shafted on that because I really do want Gatlin. But if not, oh well.
You'll get swallowed up if you're not careful.
Level up. Here I come. You're under enemy attack. Weakling. Watch out. Impossible. You're infected. Looks like everyone's in the safe area. Your leg. Enough.
All right, that's one down.
Watch out. Stay back. Level up. You're worthless.
Not yet.
Here I come. Let's
Not yet.
manifest. All together. Not strong enough.
Another bots, but I think they could have made Overhaul do a little bit more damage
Nowhere to run.
because
Level up.
Item over there.
all I did was just 11, which is pretty.
Can I, have this? An item. We should grab
Because come on, people, 11 damage is that's not damage. That's just sad. His quirk skill set looks really great, but the fact is,
All right.
this is just a sad.
Safe area moves. You'll get swallowed up. There's an item box.
Level
Move
up.
quick or it'll get snapped up.
I don't care, but I'll join you if you want.
Half the
Level
teams
up.
are out. Now the match will really heat up.
Level up.
Looks like everyone's in the safe area.
How's this?
in vault lobbies, everybody, it's important
All
to
right.
go for the item box. Oh no, that's just a beta. Eh.
Give it up!
Woo!
Only 3 teams remain! Who will come out on top?
Level up.
It's what you've all been waiting for! An item box appeared!
Level up.
I'll create a path!
Like, his moveset's great, but I'm just saying,
Get lost!
I'm under attack.
I'll create a path! This battle's You'll die in vain! Rat! You have nowhere to run!
What a nuisance.
okay, that's. Wow! Crazy George, Dobby, and Nedry exist pretty well.
You've got 30 seconds before the safe area moves! Better check on your gear!
All right, that's one down.
Let's see. Let me say that again.
Oh, that's my phone.
The final battle has begun!
All right.
Not yet. Make haste.
It's not over!
Shockwave.
Get it! They hurt! Get it! It's not over!
Not yet.
All set!
This Tamaki's not doing anything. Why did I think he's a okay, I think he's a new player. Wait.
That's not good. In one sweep.
Yeah, they're a new player. Wow.
Sound. I hate this. See ya. Shockwave. Fall back.
I've been holding you back. We're not
Just
finished here.
wow.
Much better.
I won't miss. Blown away.
Okay, so this Deku has simplified. Let's check the profile. Yeah, ace rank. Oh, just like me. I use that.
There's an item box! Move quick or it'll get snapped up! The safe area has moved. This report brought to you by Present Mic.
Already.
Please get me up. Yes.
Gotta be quick.
You have my gratitude.
You gotta move. Pay attention if you want to stay alive. accept your obliteration. Get lost. Watch out. You're done for. Not yet. Filthy. Give it on. Get lost. You have nowhere to run. It's gonna move. Dirty rat. Danger sense. Not yet. I won't go easy on. Get lost. Give it up. Stay down. Hey, you have nowhere to run. Damn.
Okay, yeah, I was just carried. I'm a bit rusty because I've been playing Fortnite more because of the showdown. I should probably start making more Fortnite videos and news. But yeah, guys.
I'll keep standing on my own 2 feet. Give it my all.
I still think if they gave Overhaul the fact that it's like Shiraki's, if he comes close enough to it, it uses, he can hit them, or the fact that if he gets more damage with the Alpha, because Overhaul's really lacking in a lot of stuff. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, I just, after level 71, after I complete everything, I just stopped playing because when close to the season. Because, okay, nope, we're gonna just do, yep.
I'll take that.
Open!
I'll take that.
1,000 gold! Pretty not
I'll take
useful. Open.
I'll take that.
We'll take that. Actually, objective pretty useful. Agency. Where's our... Also, guys, don't forget to join the Alpha Agency. Good stuff. Anyways, guys, like I say, guys, this is the Overhaul showcase and what his Corksteel can do. Basically, I know a lot of people did this, but you could also choose your costumes. But the reason why I said that was because the reason why I chose this tune for him was so that Lady Nagat, every time someone goes down, it instantly reloads his Alpha pretty fast. Same with special action. And I already know that someone joined, so who did join? Oh! Hawks!
Yeah, I'm here.
Right as I heard either that was your bike or something in your background, right? I heard you joined. Also, I'm recorded.
Oh, that's good to know.
Yes, I'm doing a I'm doing a new video series on where I basically do where I basically do tune in and showing what the characters can do in battle and how you could optimize it a lot.
Makes sense.
Here, let me show. Also, guys, Hawks will also allow me to have will let me use his account to do some of these videos on because he does have some of the characters I really need. Like the only one he has that I can use, right? Like he can, like his Kurogiri's actually tuned. I don't have a costume. Same with probably Shiozaki and Kendo. I don't have costumes for those two yet, but he does have Gatlin, and I did his tune in with Gatlin. Right, Hawks?
Mm-hmm. Currently doing some Fortnite solo right now.
Oh, Fortnite. I should probably join you. We could probably do some videos there.
The thing is that I need to complete 2 more locations that I need 5 more cubes in each. Humble Hills is missing 2 and Painted Palm is missing 3.
Can you please not spam my Ultra Rumble video with Fortnite, Hawks?
Nah, don't worry. Just giving you some information on what I'm doing.
Yes. Also, guys, actually, no, wait. Let's bring this up. This reminds me of a certain story where Hawks was playing Fortnite and I was playing Ultra Rumble. It started with Shoto's Quirk Skill set. Like, yeah, I know, I was a little bit excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I got Ice Fang Royal Flame! Like, I sounded like a complete child. But,
What I heard, yeah, you kinda did.
but that's what we like on the channel. It actually got pretty viral actually for the channel.
I'm
My most
Like,
viewed
how many views did it got?
more than most of my Ultra Rumble actual videos.
amazing.
Huh. That's interesting.
Also, guys, Hawks will be joining us for Ultra Rumble Season 16. Right, Hawks?
That's true, yeah.
He will be there when we summon and all that stuff. Also, Hawks got some
Hmm?
interesting things to tell
Give it
you
my all.
that the next character is All For One, because in the trailer when you watch it, right? There's
Mhm.
2 new
So
All For
slow.
One costumes, right?
Right?
So that means if the Diamond All Might costume is not on the Stars and Stripes banner, that means Gatlin might return
A storm is
in a
coming.
rerun banner, and I hope he does because I really want to go for him.
I mean, you have to at least. He's the only last quirk skill you're kind of missing at that point.
Dude, Gatlin All Might has shafted me more than
I got your
Dobby
back.
than Crazy
Trust me.
Torch.
I mean, that's true.
No, like I can tell you guys the shaft. I was this close to actually pitying Gatlin with 200 tickets, with 2,000 tickets. But I stopped dead short. Right?
Hmm.
Amazing.
Also, by the way, the card emotes are going to be special bundled, and I'm definitely buying that. Because, guys, back during the last second anniversary, right? we did get the what's it called? We did get we did get this. We did get the last premium emote shops for Nejire, Sue, and Ochako. Do I have the Superstar Idol costume for? No, I do not. If I did, that would have been so awesome.
Remember, considering I got it myself when what banner what were you doing when I got the Sue thing?
That was on the Zero Satellite banner.
Ah, right, and they gave me like Suasui's costume.
And the Ochako one.
Do you remember when we had to do a redemption? Like when Sue popped up the first time, it was like nonchalant, and then of course when she popped up the second time, it was redemption, and I got
Oh
the
yeah.
costume.
She was like, "Yes, I'm sorry the first time. Please show up. Here, take the costume now."
Mm-hmm. Like quite literally redemption.
But yeah, guys, but if I had to be precise on how many tickets I spent, right? That are not money-wise, that I didn't buy using money, right? Because here's the thing, I did get all the passes, but I don't think that is money-wise, right, Hawks?
Mm-mm.
Actually, no, I did spend money to get the Chrono Crystals, to get the license pass, right? So I think that kind of does spend. But genuinely interested, like probably my highest characters that I spent so much on is either. Shall I just do a ranking, Hawks, of who shafted me the most?
Go ahead.
Well, the first one who shafted me the most was All Might, actually.
Specifically his quark skill, of course.
Yes, Gatlin shafted me so bad I was on the floor crying. Second one, oh, it's Crazy Torch Dobby, but I got it in the end. Second
But you
one
finally got him, of course, which is good.
the second one that shafted me, the one that most shafted me, the third one is Tamaki. I just spent 1,200 tickets on it. Ochako, I got her eventually, but I spent like 1,000 tickets on her. Let's see. Midoriya, one for all Midoriya, 600. Got full bullet on 110. You want to know what was the least? Oh wait, no, yeah. Kaminari, 1,700 tickets. I think he's in third. Yeah, he's in third place. Tamaki's fourth. Ochako fifth. You want to know what was probably the least character that shafted me?
Yes, that's right.
That-
Lightning?
No, like the character that least shafted me, that literally barely
Yeah.
shafted me, was Bakugo, guys. Bakugo. Literally, I should recall this. Literally, during season 4, Hawks was there. You can agree this story was genuinely and not automatically fake. Right?
Mhm.
I'm not making this up. We had 10 tickets, guys. 10 tickets. I said, okay, Hawks, we got 10 tickets. We're not going to get anything from it, right?
Trust me.
But I said,
But let's try our luck. And I said, okay. When I hit it, literally, Bakugo comes in, and you want to know what he says? Hawks, you want to know what he says?
what did he actually say?
He says, at least something will happen. And I was like, no. And then Hawks goes, did you just seriously? All my glues plus Ultra.
Shit, there's no more time.
Did we actually get it first try? There was a plus Ultra box. There was the skill and Machine Gun Bakugo. We literally got it first try. I knew I should have videotaped it, that Hawks. That was like a legendary moment right there. Getting a quirk skill ticket. Not just on 10 tickets, but on the very first try.
Yep.
Yes, that's right.
Like, even I was shocked.
You got it.
I had so much fun playing with Machine Gun back then in Season 4. Anyways, guys, enough of my useless babbling. Oh, I've been babbling for the last 10 minutes. Anyways, guys, I'm Alpha. That was Hawks. Sorry for the little story about memory lane about stuff, but remember, guys, next season of Ultra Rumble will be Stars and Stripes. I will be there. Same with Andrew, Sniper, Hawks, literally the whole group. We might feature new members who can be joining us for there. Probably their POVs. But yeah. I'm Alpha, that's Hawks, and we shall see you guys all in the next one. Bye guys!